Hi, my name is Priscilla Perez, and I'm going to show you a little part of my life, okay? So follow me. Walk back. Okay, so this is my room, and you know, this is where I sleep and stuff. This is my spider. Yeah, everybody finds it odd that a girl owns a spider, but guess what? I'm a girl and I own a spider, so yeah. So come on, I'm going to show you something very odd that I own. It's a hairless dog. This is my hairless dog, Grumpy. And he has no hair, absolutely no hair. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you something that makes me laugh. That is my friend Nicole and my brother, and they both make me laugh. Especially Nicole, because she has her moments, okay? Also, I would like to show you something I fear very much so.
Search it out.
I'm going to show you very quick.
You just say it.
My biggest fear are roaches. I absolutely hate roaches with a passion. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you a couple things I love. Okay. One is dancing. You know what I'm talking about? Dancing. You know, going to the club. And my kitty cat. I have no idea where he is. Where's Whiskey, Mom? He's outside. Okay.
Everything's a mess. How can you be filming?
I don't know. This is my dog, and I love her very much. And also, my kitty cat. See this cat right here? This is my baby. Okay. And I love him very much so. Okay. And then, also, walk back. Come on, follow me. Follow me. Okay. What makes me laugh is that cat that you just saw. And also the people. Oh, and one last thing. What's in my purse? Okay. So, I'm going to just take everything out. I have my mirror, my makeup, my blue eyeliner, my stuff. All this. I have phone numbers, combs, coupons, menstrual pills, pens, and more numbers, cards, a whole bunch of cards, as you can see. I have my calculator, my Neosporin, my sharpener, my little bra holder thing, a Band-Aid, cards that my brother has, that he does computers, earphones, money, and earrings. Well, there you have it. A little part of my life. Thank you very much.